Carrie eating a sandwich? Okay. Is Carrie eating a pickle? Is he eating a pickle? Is he eating Cheetos?